are two treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots injected into your abdomen and kneecaps. And the other involves a musical number. Maestro! I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of fun. That is funny. It's fun to have fun, but you got to know how.
Do it now, lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should.
Relax on your
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the crack to the front, and then you suck it off till I shake and come. Make sure I keep busting nuts all over your face and stuff. Slow head, show me so much love. My neck, my back, my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. Lick my pussy, mommy.
Temple. If I'm gonna stay, there's something I want to show you.
Something magical and full of wonder.
Pussy, 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 pussy. I'm not so good with the writing. Not really. Dirty hoe. I'm sorry, baby.
Everybody says it's nice. Can I come and visit? I'll be at your house tonight. They tell me it's soft to touch and really smooth. I can hardly wait to feel that pussy too. You want to play with pussy all the time. Hide that kind of pussy is a crime. You say your pussy's clever, but I think that your pussy's kinda sick.
Okay, we had some good times. We even managed to work in an up-tempo pop tune for the soundtrack. That's important. Looks like everything's in balance. But you're still smoking way too many cigars. And you? Lay off this.